Good morning, my beautiful people. It is bright and early. It is 6:20 a.m. We are about to head to Health Cafe. I teach this morning. I'm going to take you guys on a full day in my life, balancing both being a Pilates instructor and studio owner, as well as being a full-time content creator, because I feel like I don't show enough of like the very busy days where I'm like mingling and integrating both things. But this morning I am putting on my little grip socks to teach. These are from Bombas. I'm honestly obsessed with them. I think my favorite thing is that they are a mission-driven brand. So one pair bought equals one pair donated, and they've donated over 150 million pairs. And I just love how comfy they are. I think these are the perfect pairs for teaching, whether you're actually just like attending a Pilates class or you're teaching an instructor yourself. They are so comfy and the grips are so good. And new customers can actually also get 20% off their first order. So you can feel good and do good with Bombas. My code is just Vanessa. It's going to be right here on the screen. You guys can go ahead and click the QR code on the screen as well, or the link down the description box below to shop. If you are a new customer, you get 20% off, but I'm gonna throw these on. I'm running a little bit late, so I gotta hurry up and get ready and get out to the studio. Let's go. The fact that I'm still wearing a full-on winter coat in almost the middle of April is a little crazy, and I am over this Toronto weather. It is like still 0 out. I want summer. I'm so ready for summer. I'm so done with the cold. Let's get this studio set up. Cutie. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Oh, thank you. Good morning. Very good boy. And I just got back from our morning walk. I ended up actually stopping at Neo Cafe and grabbing a latte because I had a free one this morning, and also because I don't have a ton of time to make myself a latte, so I was just easier to pick one up. But I have about half an hour to make and eat breakfast, get dressed, put on makeup, and head out the door. I have 2 events that I'm hopping to this morning. The first one is a little L'Oreal skincare truck pop-up at the Well, and then the other one is a PR company's brand preview, which is over at one hotel. So thankfully they are right in the same area within walking distance, but I have one right after another, and then I'm grabbing coffee with a friend. So I have a stacked out and about morning today. Let's get to it. right, here we are dressed, ready to go with 2 minutes to spare, may I add. This is the little makeup look. I threw on a headband because my hair is a little greasy and I do have to teach again tonight, with some sunnies on top. I am using my mom made it little puffer tote bag. Scarf is All Saints, jacket is RW & Co, shirt underneath is just H&M, and then jeans that you guys can't see, but they are just like the garage jeans that I wear almost like too often, but I love them. So this is the look. We are heading out to our 2 events. First one up is our L'Oreal pop-up truck stop. Let's go. No, it's real life. All right, you guys, I just got home. I took off my headband because that thing was honestly giving me a headache. I love them, they're so cute, but also like just squeeze my head way too much. I also just played with Pluto for like 15 minutes. It's currently 2 o'clock, so I need to have like a quick lunch before I have to take Pluto on another walk, and then we come back home to do just some editing and work for the rest of the afternoon before I head back and teach at Health Cafe this evening. So now I think you guys can understand a little bit why I said today is a little bit of a chaotic day. Just with how much Pluto needs to be walked, it does take up like I feel like a good portion of my day, but also like kind of chunks my day in terms of like when he needs activity and stimulation and just to be let out. He's currently, you can probably hear him, he has like a little food treat ball that he's playing with. But yeah, your girl needs to make some lunch and then go on another walk. So that's currently what is up and what needs to happen. Sometimes a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, and I'm having a little snacky plate and protein shake thing for lunch because it's just a little bit of a chaotic day. So we just have some cucumber, cherry tomatoes, cheese and crackers, and then a trail mix that has peanuts, almonds, dark chocolate, cranberries, and then this Core Power Fairlife protein shake. This is my lunch situation. I'm definitely gonna have a much heartier dinner, but this was quick and easy to make, is also fueling me up, but quick and easy to eat as well while I work. All right, you guys, it is almost 5:30, so round 2, time to get changed into another workout set. We're heading back to Health Cafe because I teach again this evening. I'm at Health Cafe like 2 times a day, but it's Thursday, so I teach twice. Honestly, it's been a long day. I'm kind of mentally drained, but we gotta get changed into another workout set and be mentally prepped and ready at the studio to teach another class tonight. It's gonna be good though. Tonight is HIIT Pilates, so it's like a HIIT Pilates fusion. It's the like most high energy class that I teach, so I like really gotta mentally bring it in and get ready for that. So we are getting changed. We're heading out again. So tonight for HIIT Pilates, I decided that we're gonna do a leg series of death because I'm tired and I'm feeling a little evil, to be like quite honest, and I feel like killing these girls' legs tonight. Like, we are gonna work the booty. So I need you guys to see this. I need you guys to see this set because if you wanna try it at home, if you wanna burn out the legs, this will do it. Can we see me? We can all see me? We're gonna start in a shoulder width position. We squat, we stand up. We curtsy lunge, we squat, lunge back, squat, curtsy lunge, squat, lunge back. You repeat that all on the opposite side. So that was my left leg, then we take the right leg. We go curtsy, squat, lunge, squat, curtsy, squat, lunge, squat. If you want to burn the legs out, do that. Our other death set tonight, we're doing squats with the Pilates ball. under opposite heels. So we'll start with a heel raise and come into squats with the Pilates ball. If you don't have strong calves, we're building that here. We'll do opposite side too. So opposite heel raise, come into a squat there. This burns the booty, burns the quads. I love it, and we haven't done these in class in a while. I'm really excited because I just haven't taught it in a hot minute. So that's what we're doing tonight. If you want to burn your legs out, do that. Just finished off class for the evening. Everyone just headed out. I'm always like exhausted but energized, especially after hit Lottie's, because I'm like been so high energy, but I'm ready to go home and have dinner and honestly crash for the evening. For some reason I feel more exhausted than usual today, and I don't know if it's TMI, but it's probably because I'm getting my period, you know? It's just like that pre-period exhaustion energy. That's how I'm feeling right now. So we're gonna go home, make a cozy dinner. I'm thinking chicken, sweet potatoes, broccoli, something super easy that I could just like toss in the oven, and that'll be our night. It's been like a longer day, but I'm glad that I took you guys along because like I said, I feel like I don't normally take you on busy days when I have like a lot of content creation stuff and then a lot of health cafe stuff as well. And Thursday is quite literally probably my busiest day when I teach twice. So here we are. Time to go home. I am back home and I ordered food for dinner. I allow myself twice a month to order food for dinner. It just so happens that I ordered back-to-back weeks, but it's fine. So I ordered some butter chicken for dinner because I truly did not want to cook. I'm exhausted, I feel overstimulated, and I just want to like crash and relax for the night. So I did order in, like I said, I allow myself to do it twice a month maximum. C'est la vie. I also ordered enough for lunch for tomorrow because Uber often has buy one get one in Toronto, and like it's just too good of a deal. Okay, cool. Anyways, we're gonna take off my makeup and do some evening skincare. Pluto has been really chill this evening, which is a little bit uncharacteristic of him because he normally wants to play as soon as I get home, and I don't know if it's because I left him a little bit more than usual today and he's just being a little bit of a suck, or if there's genuinely something up. But he's currently sleeping on my bed, and he sometimes does it in the he sometimes does it in the morning, but most of the time like he does it when I'm getting ready for bed and I'm turning the lights on in the room, and he wants to come in and like snuggle and like get ready for bed as well. But he's in there right now just kind of like laying down, so I hope he's okay. He's like got the world's most sensitive tummy for a dog. It's awful, but we live with it, and he's a great dog. He's learning and he's getting better. He definitely was a lot of work at the beginning, and it's just like slowly over time been a lot better, and I feel like I've adjusted to life with him, and I love him, and he's definitely like my companion. Like I love getting home and he's around. But I'm gonna wash my face. I feel like my nighttime skin routine I shared recently and it has not changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine, and hopefully by the time that I'm done, my food is here because I am starving.
I'm sorry.
I just made myself a little herbal cinnamon tea for this evening, and I'm about to cozy up and read. I am loving my book right now, like capital L. It is so good. You guys know that I loved Caraval, the first book in the Caraval trilogy. I think I ended up giving it, I can't remember if it was a 4.5 or 4.75 stars, but it was really, really good. I loved Stephanie Garber's writing style. We're currently reading Legendary, and I am just over halfway through. I'm like 270 pages in. so good. So far this is an easy 5 stars, like getting close to potentially being a 6-star read, which I almost never say, but it is getting really, really close. I didn't think I was going to enjoy Tella's Pav more than Scarlett's, but I really am. I love how the writing style has developed and you're just getting like sinking deeper into the world of Caraval. I love how the world is just being built upon, and the story really continued right from the end of the first book. So if you are going to read the trilogy, it probably is best to read them back to back. I did not do that, and I kind of forgot some things that went on because I finished Caraval. I think it was like beginning of September, end of August I finished it, and obviously we're now into the beginning of April and I'm reading Legendary, but I am loving it. It's really, really good. I'm excited to finish it. Honestly, I was going to take another break and read another romance book after this, but I might finish this and then go right into finale, which is the 3rd book, because this is really good so far, and I have a feeling this is going to leave us off on another cliffhanger because from the 1st book, that's just what it seems like is going to happen, and it is so good. The world is so magical, really entrances you. Like, I'm just so encapsulated by it. I'm obsessed. We're going to read tonight. I don't know how long I'm going to read for. I've set aside at least half an hour, maybe longer than that. I don't know. We'll see where I get because this book is really, really good so far. Okay, this is where I'm ending off tonight. We're gonna end off on a cliffhanger because why not? Bookmarks going in. We're calling it. Alright, you guys, we are ending off tonight's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this full day in my life with me. I feel like I haven't filmed a full day. Pluto's coming to bed now. He knows it's good night time. He knows it's time for sleep. But we're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna end off here. I will see you guys all in the next video, and I love you all so, so much. Mwah. Bye.